Foot reflexology and leg massage. Tuesday and Friday for the women and Wednesday and Saturday for the men. Always weekly 2 times for the men, 2 times for women. Must do the massage by sesame oil. Take 2 or 3 tablespoons for the hands and leg also. You must massage on Tuesday and Friday for the women and Wednesday and Saturday for the men. If you massage leg and foot reflexology on these day every week, total energy upward direction and downward direction of prana, that's called Shukla Pacha prana and Krishna Pacha prana. One body run by both direction energy. Shukla Pacha mean that's a full moon day, that's a Paurnami. Shukla means white, Shukla means light. That direction one by one, no, moon will one by one, that's called Valar in Tamil Valar Pirai. From the Paurnami to Amavasya. Amavasya, from the Amavasya to the Paurnami, Krishna Pacha, that's a black or blue day, no moon day, that's called new moon day, towards new moon day, okay, towards from the new moon to full moon. New moon starting, no moon, that's called no moon day. That day Amavasya, you can start whatever day, both men or women on Amavasya, okay, do like this from the bottom of foot to upward direction massage around 30 times or 60 times like this, okay. All the leg finger also, thumb, this is a head, how to massage upward direction, this from the Amavasya, okay. You have to massage foot like this. Foot reflexology must do like this for the 15 days of that day, wherever Friday also, Saturday also. If Amavasya comes, if Amavasya day, no, you must aware the Amavasya from the calendar. Our Indian calendar, Amavasya will be the full Amavasya, no moon day, new moon day. That day full energy in foot is full energy will be there as per the system of solar system. So that this Amavasya how to upward direction foot reflexology you must do like this, whichever day, Friday also, Saturday also. For the common for men, Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday and Saturday is Krishna Pacha or no moon. Krishna Pacha means no moon day, the downward energy, okay. See, downward energy will be there for the woman and men also, okay. Both the leg how to do like this, no, see, the 4th day Saduttasasi and Amavasya, all 1, 2, 3, 4, no, the energy is going down and completed the no moon, this area is no moon. So no moon day how to massage like this, and during the no moon periods of Wednesday or Saturday for the men, downward energy, okay, you have to massage like this for the men and women also. Men for Tuesday and Friday, downward direction. This gap also, if the pain is there, this is the liver area, okay. You have to massage like this. Kidney points, liver points, spleen points, no, stomach points, and urinary bladder, gallbladder points, and everything is there here only, okay. Whoever not pregnancy, massage weekly twice. Okay, leg is our Indian system, leg is called the earth energy. If it is earth energy more for the men and women, that's no generation and inside the prana no will be more. Okay, any problem, do it weekly twice. I am doing the Krishna Pacha direction. Okay, for the women and men, downward, doing like this. Leg massage, toe massage, finger massage, toe finger massage, like this. It should not pain in this area. This is a pressure reducing point. Okay, in this gap also it should not pain, like massages. Remove the pain. Conscious massage. Okay, consciously how to see the direction. Krishna Pacha direction from downward, correct? No, this leg is downward, so downward means this is a head, it's a leg, so this direction. Fasa Krishna Pacha, no moon day or new moon day, all the days of Wednesday or Saturday for the men, Tuesday and Friday for the women. This direction, energy going down and inhaling from the earth. Energy going down means it's receiving from the solar system or Prabanja to ground it to the earth. One direction. Another is from the earth to the upward direction. Both direction Amrita Kala. Amrita Kala means more prana, more varma points will and hand massage also. Okay, apply on leg also. Same you are doing, no? Okay, same like this. Okay, apply like that. Then check whether the Amavasa days going on or Shukla Pacha going on or Krishna Pacha going on, you must aware from the calendar and how the direction. I am checking the calendar. Krishna Pacha days you must do like this. Krishna Pacha days. Massage like this. Wherever pain is there, you must remove this direction. You can take pen also. Pen. If it is pen is there, bottom of pen, use massage like this. Krishna Pacha massage. Downward direction. From the head to bottom. Downward direction. Okay. Shukla Pacha. Start at Shukla Pacha. See this direction. This is Amavasa. This is Pradama. So Shukla Pacha started like this. Okay. So upward direction. Energy is going from the earth to top, head. Head means Paurnami. Head means full moon. Bottom foot is Amavasya. That is no moon. Head means full moon. Bottom is no moon. Okay. So direction like this. Full up to knee you have to massage. So leg massage completed. Then another applying the hand also, hand finger, applying the sesame oil. I told Wednesday and Saturday for the men, Tuesday and Friday for the women. Okay. I am checking the day. Okay. Amavasa, Shukla Pacha and Krishna Pacha. Going downward only, no? Energy is going down only. So, this direction, you have to massage it. Like this. This bone area, any pain is there, you massage it. Okay? Like this. This bone is there, no? Should not pain. So, lot of Burma point is there. Massage like this. This is a lungs point. So, how to massage like this, lungs point. Okay? This is called, going downward energy means Krishna Pacha. Okay. This is another day. Shukla Pacha means full moon means this direction only. See, like this is called all finger toe joining. This is a head point. So head point is tuning by head point in full moon. So this direction, downward direction. Massage it, all the area, massage it. See, from the full moon do Shukla Pacha. Shukla Pacha direction, energy going inside the body. Krishna Pacha means energy going to ground in to the earth, to the outside. Okay. Krishna Pacha, Shukla Pacha. Krishna Pacha, Shukla Pacha. Shukla Pacha going inside, Krishna Pacha going outside. Same. Shukla Pacha going inside, Krishna Pacha going outside. Okay. See, both need to understand. Okay, like this you have to massage it weekly, twice for men, women also.